Hi guys, and we're back. Danielle's...
Hi, I can talk.
Okay, Danielle's going to take the cake out of the oven and put it on the stove top. Come on, Danielle, we're running low on time.
Ouch!
No, she can still talk.
What are you doing? Put it down.
Oh.
Voila! And the cake is ready.
Okay, now we have to let it cool down.
Itch.
And we're gonna decorate it, but we're not gonna film that because we only have so much time left.
We'll show you the ending product, but we're running out of video. Oh no, I'm recording. So this says we miss you because this is for Emma. Emma, we miss you, and we made a cake in your honor.
We're counting down the days for your...
And yeah, we're gonna eat it in your honor. We'd save you some. But you're in Italy. You're in Italy
And
playing beach volleyball with like hottie toddies. So yeah. Dion made this. Erica made this, and then I made it. But you don't want to see what I look like right now. No. Emma, I miss you so much. Like,
Love you.
A lot. Like, no joke.
Why can't I zoom out?
When you get back,
What the hell? You zoomed in?
When you get back, I'm
No, you were
gonna
zoomed
chain
in.
our hands together.
Okay guys, I'm gonna stop it now.
So, what we're doing is we are eating. I don't know if you can see. We are eating cake, right? No forks, no nothing. This is all face. And we're gonna race to see who can eat it the fastest. Okay. On your mark, get set, go.
Oh!
I'm taking one bite. I'm banged. Stupid.
You sound savage.
I think it might be done recording.
Shut up. Stop making noise. They're making me laugh and it's screwing me up. Shut up. You should not put the whipped cream on it. It tastes weird.
I think I might quit.
What?
I might quit. You guys, I think I ran out of room.
Oh well. We have what we have.
Okay, we're filming now. Okay.
Okay, don't hurt me.
Why isn't it working?
You're holding it on the wrong angle.
How am I supposed to hold it? Oh.
Yeah.
30 seconds. Beat on medium. Speed 2 minutes. Scraping bowl occasionally. Pour into a pan. Holla at them bad boys.